So I'm wearing the same outfit as yesterday. I recorded them in the same day. Let's move on from there. So I might have a tad bit of an obsession with wooden or sola wood flowers. If you don't know what sola wood flowers are and want to learn a little bit more about the ethicality behind them, I suggest reading this post, also available on this same Facebook page. So, sola wood flowers. I really love them. I like to do a lot with them. As you can see, I've made various bouquets, arrangements, and everything with them. So what do I want to do on this DIY Friday? While I'm keeping up with the sola wood train, I think I want to make a boutonniere. So why don't we go ahead and do that? I'm going to make a boutonniere this Friday. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's going to be a fun one for me at least. I'll see you there.